My name is Jelle and today I'm showing you a Balisong tutorial with my Balisong, of course, or also known as a butterfly knife. And yeah, so what I'm gonna show you is the basic opening, and I first show it in normal speed and then I just show it to you with explaining how you do it. So this is what it looks like, and closing, and you can do this move like horizontal, vertical I mean, like, but you can also do it horizontal, so it's just like that. And it if you do it good, it looks really nice. So what you want to do is you just do like this, and you hold on to the safe handle. So not the one with the latch, that's the bite handle, because that's where the blade is pointing to, and that hurts if you have your finger there and it snaps. So what you want to do is just like this, and then twist it. So open it, twist it, and do like that. And that's why you have to hold the safe handle, because this is the flat side, nothing's gonna happen. And you just like that. So, and the closing is the same. It's like that. Twist it, open it, close it. So that's the basic opening.